Hi guys, today I want to review the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. I just got it and I want to do the unboxing. What I really like is that they have the instructions how to do it, you know, step 1 foaming, step 2 rinsing, foam again, washing with a hand mitt, 5 rinsing again, and then drying. They have their own YouTube channel, as you can see here. So let's see what's in the box. Very sturdy material. Okay, so here is the canister. You can tell right off the bat that it's really quality material. Okay. Wow. High quality brass material, heavy, good construction. And here to distribute the fans. It has a 1 liter canister with easy gradation, so to know where to put the volume of the liquid. So they say 900 water, 100 soap. It has these accessories. I'm not sure yet what this is for. Oh yeah, this is the filter that goes inside here. Instruction manual. MJJC for petri foam. We will see in a second. I will upload another video how this works. Brass. It shows you the flow, which pressure washers, what nozzle it has, 1.25 millimeters. Oh, it has a spare part. Yeah, that's it. It has a spare orifice, the 1.1 millimeter, which is a little smaller, in case you have a less powerful machine. So guys, that's it. And of course it comes with the adapter for your pressure washer. Mine is a Karcher, so this is the Karcher fitting. This goes here. So that's it. That's the unboxing video of the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. Thanks for watching.